Abort. To stop or cancel something before it is completed, especially a mission, task, or process. We aborted the mission due to the bad weather. This decision will abort the rocket launch. Apprehend. To catch or arrest someone, usually by the police. The police apprehended the kidnapper at the bus stop. The police have not apprehended the killer yet. Bunch. A group of similar things or people. I bought a bunch of flowers from this shop. There is a bunch of banana on the table. Dangle. To hang or swing loosely, often moving back and forth. I dangled the money in front of him. Here are 3 spiders dangling. Demise. To die or pass away. The CEO of company demised in 1989. My uncle demised yesterday. Distinguish. To recognize the difference between 2 or more things, or to notice something clearly. We can't distinguish between the 2 giraffes. It's difficult to distinguish between the 2 houses. Faint. To lose consciousness for a short time. After standing in the sun for too long, she felt dizzy and then fainted. I will faint if I see the blood. Furious. Extremely angry or very mad. My mother will be furious if I don't do my homework. He was furious when I forgot his name. Obliterate. To completely destroy, wipe out, or remove something so that nothing remains. Our area was obliterated by fire. We want to obliterate the all memory of massive earthquake. Recall. To remember something from the past. Can you recall the funny story that your friend told you? I don't recall your name. Shred. To cut or tear something into very small pieces. I shredded all the papers and threw them away. I am shredding the carrots for the salad. Shudder. To tremble or shake suddenly, usually because you are cold, scared, or disgusted. I was shuddering with fear in the elevator. I walked in the cold with a shudder. Thaw. To melt something that is frozen, snow, ice, or food. Let thaw the frozen chicken and then cook them. Your ice cream has begun to thaw. Voyage. A long journey, usually by sea or sometimes by space or air. I want my first voyage on a ship. He went to America on a long voyage.